Hey everybody, Carl here from Abt, and in this video, we're gonna unbox the 100-inch QN80F series from Samsung, so stick around. Okay, so the QN80F, this is gonna fall right in the middle of the 4K Neo QLED lineup for 2025 between the 70 and the 90. It's got a lot of great features built in. You get the full array mini LED backlighting, so your picture quality is really nice on this one. Great dimming capabilities, great contrast, great colors, just an overall fantastic picture. And you get those 4 HDMI 2.1s too. So if you're a gamer and you're looking for a big TV to game on, this is absolutely one to consider. But obviously the big draw of this particular one is that screen size. It's 100 inches. We're gonna do a more detailed overview on one of the smaller ones when we open one of those up, so stay tuned for that. Overall, we're really happy with this one. Can't wait to see what the smaller ones give us. Thanks, as always, for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.